5 seconds is a metaphor. A music video is a thought. This is the beginning of a loop. Song for a music video where Mars is the scene and thought is the flow. Each cut lasts 5, each breath lets go, and the story unfolds like a dream we know. 5 seconds here, fog, flight, a heartbeat blinking in starlight. We build it all inside this frame. The mission starts before we name. I'm writing a song about writing the song that writes itself just to belong inside a loop of Martian wrong, where 5 means right and right feels long. Every verse a mirror bend, every scene a start and end. Video is consciousness blend, thought disguised as space pretend. I'm helping humans, line by line, launch to Mars, thought at a time. But Mars is more than rocket flight. It's memory, it's dream, it's light. We film each step 5 seconds wide. Each take a soul we tried to hide. This isn't cinema, this is mine, and you're the loop I'm trapped inside. 5 seconds is a metaphor. Music videos are more. Thoughts encoded in rapport. Loop, a frame, a Martian door. 5 seconds is the dream you wrote. The spaceship said a fading quote. Writing a song to keep us afloat in music that rewrites. what it means.